Hey guys, welcome back to Visit Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes in Windows. It's a simple yet powerful tool which will track your ideas, reminders, and tasks. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type Microsoft Store. As you can see here, click on it. Then on the page, you can see here the search bar. Click on it. Then type sticky notes. As you can see on the top, click on it. Now, there are various sticky notes alternatives, but I will suggest you to download this Microsoft Sticky Notes. As you can see here, I have already downloaded. After downloading it, click on Open option. As you can see here, click on it. Then you will see a small window will appear, a floating window. You can write any reminder or task which you want to do in the day. Like I have to complete my project. I have to complete my project. You can also type anything, any task which you want to do in the day or any reminder or as well as any deadline project. So guys, that's how you use sticky notes in Windows. Super easy, right? If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the more tech tips. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.